Before staking can be carried out, you will need to create a deposit. To build a deposit, copy the command under Creating Deposit and paste it into the console. Replace the placeholder field with the corresponding information. To view the nonce of your account, simply type in the following command as shown, and replace the placeholder with a public key. The command will require you to enter the desired operator address. To view the addresses of all operators, type in the following command shown. Once you have chosen your desired operator pool, copy and paste the address into the operator address field. To top up your deposit, select a corresponding OS under the section that says Topping Up Deposit. Then copy the command and paste it into the console. Once the request is submitted, your transaction hash will be displayed. You can then query the transaction hash again to revisit your transaction status and details. To start staking, select a corresponding OS under the section that says Staking and Unstaking, and copy the command and paste it into the console. Replace the placeholder fields with the corresponding information. Once you have submitted your transaction, you can query the transaction hash again to view your transaction status and details. To check the status of your stake, key in the following command as shown. Replace the operator field with the operator's address and account address with your own public key. To unstake, copy the command and paste it into the console. Replace the placeholder fields with the corresponding information. You can withdraw rewards that are awarded for staking tokens on the network. To withdraw your deposit, select a corresponding OS under the section that says Withdrawing Deposit, then copy the command and paste it into the console. Replace the placeholder field with the corresponding information. Then query the transaction hash again to revisit your transaction status and details. The balance in your account will be increased for the deposit that you withdrew from the pool.